Are you looking for an honest, reliable auto mechanic and tire repair shop in Miami? Enaoli Auto Tech is a family-owned business offering auto repairs and tires for more than 20 years. We're located in Cutler Bay, right on the corner of US 1 and Eureka Drive. We service all makes and models, from a simple oil change or a flat tire to major repairs, such as engine and transmission, diagnostics, exhaust systems, AC, steering and suspension, 3D alignment, and much more. We have a large selection of used and new tires. Bring your car in today.